For a starter home, outdoor space changes everything.
This is 312 East Kentucky Street in Fairfield, a 3-bedroom, 1-bath, single-family home on a quiet, tree-lined street. Inside, the home feels bright and easy to live in, with fresh interior paint, a refreshed kitchen and bathroom, and newer dual-pane windows. The larger updates matter too. The roof, electrical, and HVAC have all been improved, giving buyers a stronger starting point from day one. Out back, the yard gives the home room to breathe. Newer fencing adds privacy, and the covered patio creates an outdoor living area that feels like part of the home. You are near local parks, shopping, dining, schools, commuter routes, downtown Fairfield, Solano Town Center, and I-80.
If you're looking for an updated home with real outdoor space, come by the open house.